Okay, so number 25, we have it written down, cut it off. And we got as far as 48 equals w squared plus 2w minus 48 equals 0. So now we need to factor this part right here. 48 could be 1 times 48, 2 times 24, 3 times 16, or 4 times 12, or 6 times 8. We need it to subtract to give us a 2. Which factors are we going to use? Subtracting to get a 2. 6 and 8. We need a positive 2. Positive 8, negative 6. Okay. So we have w minus 6 and we have w plus 8. Okay. When we put those equal to 0, w minus 6 equals 0. We come out with what? A positive 6. Okay, w plus 8 equals 0. We have a negative 8. Are we going to be able to have a width of negative 8 meters? No. We don't use negative numbers for widths. So we don't use that one. So we know the width is 6. And the length, if you look up here, the length was the width plus 2. So we add 2 to it, and that's what the width will be. Or the length, I'm sorry. The length is the width plus 2, so it's 6 plus 2. So the width is 6, and the length is 8, and what was the units? Meters. It said that it was 48 square meters here. Okay. And the next problem, 26, looks like a triangle. The base of the triangle is 6 centimeters greater than twice the height. And here would be our height. Oh, it's straight, whatever. There's our height. It says the area is 28 square centimeters. Of course it's squared, it's area. Find the height and the base. The area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2, right? Or 1/2 base times height. So you're going to have the base, 2h plus 6, times the height, divided by 2, is equal to our area. And our area was 28 square centimeters. Okay, so when we solve this, we want to multiply by 2 first, because we want to get rid of the bottom 2. So that will cancel that out. When we multiply 2 on the other side, we have 56. And this one right here, multiply these two. The 2 is not part of it. We have 2h squared plus 6h equals 56. We need to carry this over to the next page because we don't have room to extend this page. So we need to remember 2h squared plus 6h equals 56. Okay, we have 2h squared plus 6h equals 56. So we'll want to subtract 56 from both sides. So we have 2h squared plus 6h minus 56 equals 0, correct? Can we factor anything out of this? A number, letter, anything can we factor out anything? 2? 2. And we'll have h squared plus 3
20.
minus 28. That was what we multiplied by 2 a while ago, huh? Okay, so how about 28? We need to find the factors of 28. 1 times 28, 2 times 14, 4 times 7. We need the ones that will subtract to give us 3. Which? 4 and 7. We need a positive 3. Positive 7, right? Positive 7, negative 4. So we have 2. So the H's, and we have a negative 4 and a positive 7. Okay, we're going to set each one of these equal to 0. 2 equals 0, we can forget that, right? That's not going to work out. H minus 4, we're going to set equal to 0, and H plus 7 equal to 0. Add 4, so we have a positive 4. The other one's negative 7. Are we going to be able to have a negative 7 height? No, you don't measure negative 7. So that one won't work. So our height is 4. If we go back to our screen before this, it said the base was 2 times the height plus 6. So to find the base, we're going to have to do 2h plus 6. So 2h plus 6 is our base. Okay. 2 times our height plus 6, I'm sorry, my b's and 6's are looking alike, equals our base. Okay, 8, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 6 is 14. So our base must be 14. So we have a base of 14 and a height of 4. If you multiply those, base times height divided by 2, we have 14 times 4 divided by 2. Does that come out to 28?
Yeah.
Well, you
Yes.
have, well, you have the H negative 4 equals 0, and then right below it you have, what's that?
Right below it?
Yeah. Oh,
The
is that a
H
plus
equals 4?
Plus 4 and a plus 4?
Oh yeah, this is a plus 4. Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plus 4 and plus 4?
This was
Okay.
plus 4 plus 4.
Okay. I couldn't decipher.
Yeah. And this B looks really bad. We'll change that. Okay. Then when we check it, 14 times 4 is 56 divided by 2. That is our area. So that's our correct base. And this is our correct height. And what are these centimeters, inches? Our problem before said that it was square centimeters. So this problem, the answers will be in centimeters. So don't forget your units. Okay, the next one, number 27. A mason wants to be sure he has a right corner in a building. So he's building a building. He wants to make sure that he has a right angle here. He marks a point 3 feet from the corner. This will be 3 right here. And along the wall, and another point 4 feet from on the other side. If the corners are right angle, what should the distance be between the 2 marked points? So what would the hypotenuse be? This is number 27. You're going to use the Pythagorean theory, right? These are the 2 sides that make up the right angle, hopefully. So you have 3 squared plus 4 squared equals, we'll put a C there, C squared. Okay, so we have 9